So I'm here today with Jason and Tahlia from Yergan Landscape, and we're sitting in Cloud9, which is the brainchild of both of you, one of you?
Yeah, both of us.
Both of us, yeah.
Yep. And talk to me about this. So this is your second time here? First time here?
Third time.
Third time here? I got close.
Yeah. Could have been one of three.
Yeah. What was was there a brief for this from the show, or you had free reign to do what you want?
Yeah, good question. So we originally were going to be building in a 6x3 metre plot. We got offered this one as a 6x6, so that sort of defined our brief that we could use a bit more space, and but not from the show, so no real brief from them.
Yep.
I guess having a usable space, standard sort of design proportions, and just go for it really.
Do you choose, because obviously the amount of work that goes into building something like this is intense, right? And it takes you away from the income generation of your business, takes you away from spending time with family and friends, and there's obviously late nights and all that. What is your reason behind building something like this? Like, is it around generating work, or is it like I don't know, what boxes does it tick for you guys?
I think the passion for the horticulture and the Royal Adelaide Show. There's great people here, and it's an expression as well. Like you can publicly display what your talents are and showcase to the public what you do.
If you were doing something else like athletics or sport, obviously you can have a grand final or you can display your talents in front. This is probably one of the only ways that landscapers and landscape designers and horticulturalists can get in front of a large group of people. Most of the gardens you build are closed to the public, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, social media these days is great to put your gardens on show, but this way you can interact with people. And
we were talking out there with some of the team from the Adelaide Show, and they asked if concrete was part of the Yergan DNA, or was it your DNA? It's something that I see you doing in your gardens. Is it part of your DNA? Is that something? Has it become like a bit of a signature for Yergan?
Yeah, definitely. Look, we've been concreting for a long time, and it's something we always get asked to put in our gardens, and quite often it's the segue into how we get design projects. Just because people want a concrete feature in their garden or a swimming pool, and we can do that, and then we build a garden around it.
I'll admit, when I saw you guys pouring these on socials, I was like, what are you thinking? Like, this is a big undertaking, because these are going to need to get taken out, right?
Yeah.
Can you take these out as they are? Like, is this going to be too heavy to remove? Or?
Yeah, no, they can be. So I'd say they're about a tonne each. This floor here is a bit more, and that won't be going anywhere. That'll go in a bin, unfortunately.
Or it stays here, becomes part of the show.
Yeah, maybe. Well, last year we built a concrete bench in here, and it was too big to move. So one of the other people in the design competition decided to put it in their landscaping yard, Flavio. So we cut it into 3 pieces, and so it's still out his landscaping yard.
As in he's using it as just a bench,
yeah,
right?
it's
It's not for
furniture.
sale. Yeah, that's good. So it saves you
Yep.
from dumping it, so
Yep.
it wasn't wasted, and it gets used. That's amazing. This is something that I haven't seen you guys do in a garden, in a show garden. Like, you've got water here. This is obviously a very small swimming pool or a very large water feature.
Yeah, it evolved. It was going to be limestone, and now, I guess we ran out of time, and then decided to sort of evolve it into representing the swimming pools that we build. So we build concrete swimming pools. And thank you very much for supplying the pump, Clint, and Waterpro.
Yeah, thank you.
I'll take the credit. We supported 0.1% of this garden.
Yeah,
That's right. All the coins in there
every
belong to me.
percentage counts.
It's now all wishing well.
Yeah,
I was
there
going to
you
say,
go.
did you guys throw a few coins in there to start with, just to try and get
No,
people to throw
yeah.
more in there? And you're like, this will
Yeah.
cover part of the cost.
Yeah,
People
a very small part of the cost.
That covers the impeller in the pump.
Yeah, we might be able to get ourselves some cinnamon donuts with that.
You mentioned before when we were talking, it's unfortunate we're not able to have that fire going, but is fireplaces or fire pits something that you're seeing a lot in gardening at the moment, or in
Yeah.
landscape design?
Yeah, absolutely. It's integral. So outdoor dining, so with kitchens, but then also a nice seating area. And with the seating area, usually you've got a fire around it, so you can enjoy more of the space, more of the day, more of the year round.
Yeah.
get people outside enjoying their backyards.
It's hard to ignore what's behind me with these trees. Talk to me about the plant design. That's something that your hands in.
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't even know where to start. Horticulture is definitely not my thing. I understand irrigation, so I know how to water them. A lot of native planting now is kind of getting me concerned about my business long term. But talk to me about the plant selections and what your process is to design something like this.
Yeah, so it's quite similar to our planting palette that we put in our show garden Mingle last year. This display here has quite a few feature trees in here, which are from Jason at Redstone. So he has a very eclectic, unique planting up there, which we love to support him as much as we can. So the feature that you're seeing behind you, Clint, are pyrus nivalis. Now these are just coming into blossom. So when we picked them up from Jason, they were just coming into their bud burst, but because of the warmth inside the pavilion here, they're actually opening up, which is really exciting. And that creates a bit of elevation within the garden. But then nestled behind those, we're seeing a combination of miscanthus, Yakashima dwarf, and calamagrostis. And these are actually the grass heads and the seed heads are becoming spent, and that's supposed to create obviously seasonal interest in the garden as well as a layering effect. And then nestled in between them, you've got these beautiful Elaeagnus spheres. There's just one in between you both there. And then we carry on, and we've got some lovely spheres here from Carl out at Heine's, and then we move into our perennial planting. So the mixture of planting here is actually Mediterranean, native, as well as edible, which is something that we try to do in our clients' gardens as well, but I think it creates a really nice soft touch against the burnished concrete.
Interesting to mention is it is the first day of spring today, so if you're watching this or listening, well, you won't be listening to this, it's probably not that interesting to listen to comparatively to watch. That budding is obviously right in line with
so
spring.
Exciting, yes.
This is amazing. Do you think you'll keep doing these? Is this something that, like, the juice is worth the squeeze? Obviously, you've got the ability to showcase what you're doing, but obviously there's a financial cost to it. Is it something that this is an avenue to find work as well? And employees, obviously, we talked about that.
We love it. I think we keep doing it.
Yep.
Give the fans what they want.
Well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
I don't know
if
I know I couldn't do it, but it's nice to be able to come here and just get to be part of it. So thanks for your time.
No, thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thanks for having us on.
No worries.